Today I'm going to show you how to make the deer stamps. First, create a new canvas and then open your brush library. Click a plus symbol to create a new brush set. And then I'm going to change a name. I will call it deer. Okay, next click plus sign at the top right. You will see this page. It's called Brush Studio. And then select shape. We are going to import files. When you click import files, it will open your iCloud. And then I'm looking for the animal folder. I prepare the .png files. So I will select the picture that the file is a PNG file, only PNG. Okay, and then click done. Next, you will adjust your brush. For me, I try every option. I just want it be a stamp, so I just keep changing. Until I find a big and clear picture of the deer. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's it. I got what I want. It's big and it's clear. And then you can click to the brush info. You can set your brush name and you can set you own this brush. And then click done, and then you got your deer stamp now. Yes, okay, and then after that you can test it on your canvas. Just when I use finger, it's more clearer. Okay, and then you can create your own stamps.